Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk to you about the best time to work out. And guess what? It's not when it's convenient. You'd think the best time to work out is when you have free time, right? But let's be real. When was the last time you actually had free time? Probably your last vacation or maybe a random long weekend. Now, if you only work out during those moments, you are going to end up with a handful of workouts in the entire year. And that's not enough to see results. The best time to work out is when it's actually inconvenient for you. Because when you push yourself to train, even when you are busy, you've got to work, kids, or a million other responsibilities, you start to find little windows of time, and those little windows of time become part of your routine. That's when it clicks. You have conditioned yourself to work out no matter how full your schedule is. So if you can do it when it's inconvenient, you can do it anytime. So don't wait around for the perfect moment or that rare free hour. Start now, start busy, and let fitness become part of your daily life. And that's how you win. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Bye.